we go.
So yeah, check it out. You're under arrest. Oh, I never thought I'd be able to do this. This is so cool. Closest I got to this was back around 95. So I got to take a lap around a strip mall parking lot with one of the guys from NASCAR.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Cool.
they had the truck parked over there, and they got it was basically like a blast, and then that was it. It was over because the car was so damn fast. Oh, this is so cool.
There you go.
There you go. Give him.
All right. Hey, everyone.
Oh, Keith, you are so awesome. Thank you. You can let me out here because I know
All
you're.
right. I'm
Yeah.
going to break here.
All right.
All right.
Sounds good. Peace and love, brother.
Yeah.
Have a good one. We'll see you around.
You bet.